Let's continue with MCQ based on S block elements. Which of the following statement is not correct about alkali metals? Lithium is strongest reducing agent. Lithium ion has highest polarizing power. Alkali metals give blue colored solution with liquid ammonia. Sodium is metalloid. D part is the correct answer. Sodium is metal and not metalloid. Which of the following compound is efflorescent? Soda ash, baking soda, washing soda, soda lime. Correct answer is washing soda. It loses water of crystallization when it is exposed to atmosphere. This property is called efflorescence and this substance is efflorescent. Which alkali metals has density greater than 1? Lithium has less than 1, sodium has less than 1, potassium has less than 1, cesium has more than 1. That is the correct answer. The exceptionally high reactivity of sodium metal with water is made use of in drying ethanol, in drying benzene, in drying ammonia, and as a general drying agent. Correct answer is in drying benzene. Alcohol we cannot dry it, reacts with it. Ammonia also it reacts with it, and in general we can't use it because it's highly reactive. Which one of the following is not a lithium mineral? Lepidolite, petalite, carnallite, triphyllite. Correct answer is carnallite, which is not the mineral of lithium. It is potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, it's 6H2. Other are lithium, aluminium silicates. That is the general composition of the remaining three minerals. Which of the following is heavy soda ash? Soda ash is Na2CO3 and second part is heavy soda ash. This is Glober salt. So correct answer is B part. When ammonia is passed over heated sodium at 300 degrees centigrade, the product formed is Na3N and 3Na, which is sodium azide, NaNH2, Na2NH. Correct answer is NaNH2 plus hydrogen gas is formed. Natural deposit having composition sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate into 2H2 is called. Correct answer is Trona. Which following alkali metals has highest specific heat? Cesium, rubidium, potassium, lithium. Correct answer is lithium. Alkali metal halide which has highest lattice energy is lithium iodide, lithium bromide, lithium fluoride, lithium fluoride. Correct answer is lithium fluoride because fluoride ion is smallest in size, maximum ionic character, highest inter-ionic force of attraction, so highest lattice energy. Lithium iodide will have lowest. Which of the following hydrated ion has lowest value of ionic radius? Lithium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, cesium ion. Cesium ion will have lowest value of ionic radius. D part is the correct answer. Lithium ion will have highest value of hydrated radius. Which one of the following is incorrect statement? Radii of hydrated ions decrease from lithium ion to cesium ion. Hydration energy of alkali metal ions decreases from lithium ion to cesium ion. Lattice energy of halides of sodium decreases from sodium fluoride to sodium iodide. Stability of peroxide and superoxide decreases with the increase in size of alkali metal is the wrong statement. Rather, an incorrect statement, and this is the correct answer. Rather, stability of peroxide and superoxide increases with the increase in size of alkali metal ions because largest cations can stabilize largest anions. So here D part is the correct answer. Which has largest size in water? Cesium ion, rubidium ion, potassium ion, and lithium ion. Correct answer is lithium ion because it is most hydrated. Which of the following compound is not related to Solvay's process? Na2CO3, NaHCO3, calcium chloride. None of these. All are related to Solvay's process. So D part is the correct answer. During electrolysis of fused NaCl, sodium ions are reduced at anode, sodium ions are oxidized at anode, chloride ions are oxidized at anode, or sodium ions are oxidized at cathode. Correct answer is chloride ions are oxidized at cathode, whereas sodium ions are reduced at cathode. Chloride are oxidized at anode and sodium ions are reduced at cathode. They gain electron, chloride ion lose electron. Loss of electron is oxidation. Gain of electron is reduction. So C part is the correct answer. Which of the following salts give aqueous solution which is weakly basic? Ammonium bicarbonate, sodium sulfate, NaHCO3, NaCl. Correct answer is sodium bicarbonate gives weakly basic. Sodium sulfate and NaCl are neutral. Ammonium bicarbonate is slightly acidic in nature. Which of the following is paramagnetic in nature? Na2O2, Na2O, KO2, K2O2. Correct answer is C part. Potassium superoxide is paramagnetic in nature because O2 minus, that is superoxide ion, has one unpaired electrons. Which ion has least mobility in aqueous solution? Lithium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, rubidium ion. Correct answer is lithium ion because it is most hydrated, therefore has least mobility. As compared with alkaline earth metals, the alkali metal exhibits smaller ionic radii in respective periods, greater hardness in respective periods, boiling point, higher boiling points in respective periods, lower ionization potential in respective periods. Correct answer is lower ionization potential in respective periods. So D part is the correct answer. A substance solid with high electrical and thermal conductivity from the following is ice, silicon, lithium, and sodium chloride. Correct answer is lithium. Of sodium metal in liquid ammonia is strongly reducing because of the presence of sodium in atomic form, sodium hydride, sodium anode, solvated electron. Solvated electron is the correct answer. Four alkali metals are given, their reduction potential are given. We have to select which is the best reducing agent. Correct answer is A. Reason it has lowest standard reduction potential. Lithium, potassium, calcium metals can be arranged in the decreasing order of standard reduction potential. Calcium is greater than potassium is greater than lithium. All the four options are given. A part is the correct answer because lithium has lowest, second lowest is potassium and highest is calcium. The alkali metals which forms nitride directly on heating with nitrogen is lithium, sodium, potassium. None of these. Correct answer is lithium because it is smaller in size. It reacts with nitrogen forming lithium nitride. Others don't. Which of the following is liquid at 37 degrees centigrade? Sodium, potassium, francium, and none of these. Correct answer is francium. It becomes liquid at 37 degrees centigrade. Low melting solid. When an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate is electrolyzed using inert electrode, the products at cathode and anode are sodium and SO2, hydrogen and oxygen, oxygen and hydrogen, sodium and oxygen. Correct answer is hydrogen and oxygen because out of sodium ion and H ions have high reduction potential. They will gain electron forming hydrogen gas. Out of sulfate and OH ion, sulfate contains 4 electronegative oxygen atom will not lose electron in dilute solution. Rather, OH ion will lose electron forming oxygen gas. Also, due to overvoltage, sulfate ions will not be discharged. OH ion will be discharged forming oxygen gas. So, D part is the correct answer. The solution of potassium in liquid ammonia is blue due to the presence of sodium ion, ammonium ion, solvated sodium ion, solvated electron. Correct answer is solvated electron. It absorbs light from visible region and radiates blue color. Which one of the following is highest melting halide? Sodium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, sodium iodide. Correct answer is sodium fluoride. Least will be sodium iodide. Sodium carbonate is manufactured by Solvay's process. The products that can be recycled are the following products are given. Correct answer is CO2 and ammonia can be recycled. That's why this process is economical. In nuclear reactors, molten sodium is used to slow down the speed of neutron, absorb heat generated by nuclear fission, absorb neutrons in order to control the chain reaction. None is correct. Correct answer is absorb excess of heat generated by nuclear fission. The salt which is used for performing breath test in qualitative analysis is potash alum, Mohr salt, microcosmic salt, gypsum. Correct answer is microcosmic salt, C part. It forms glass-like bead and in presence of colored iron it will form colored beads. Instead of this we can also use borax and that is called borax bead test. Hydration energy of magnesium ion will be greater than magnesium plus 3, aluminium plus 3, beryllium plus 2, sodium plus 1. Correct answer is D part, sodium plus 1 because it is smaller in size and has higher charge. NaOH is manufactured by electrolysis of brine solution. The products of the reactions are Cl2 and O2, Cl2 and H2, Ca2 and Na and O2. Correct answer is B part. Chlorine is liberated at anode and hydrogen is liberated at cathode because NaCl aqueous solution is being electrolyzed. So H ions will get reduced instead of sodium ion and chlorine will be liberated at anode. Chloride ion will lose electron as compared to OH ion because oxygen is more electronegative. That's why chlorine gas will be formed at anode. B part is the correct answer. In the preparation of sodium carbonate, which of the following substance is used? Quicklime, limestone, NaOH. Correct answer is limestone, which gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Baking powder contains Na2SO4, Na2CO3, NaHCO3, NaHSO4. Correct answer is C part, NaHCO3.